Did you know the largest diamond heist in history was stopped by fake jewels? In November 2000, a criminal gang spent 2 months watching the London Millennium Dome. Inside sat the Millennium Star, a 203-carat diamond worth £200 million. Their plan was audacious. Drive a JCB excavator straight through the dome's roof while speedboats waited on the Thames. They practiced every second in a warehouse replica, timing the perfect robbery. November 7th arrived. The JCB smashed through the building as planned. Gang members rushed inside with sledgehammers and nail guns, attacking the reinforced display cases. Everything was going perfectly until armed police emerged from hiding spots throughout the dome. The entire exhibition had been an elaborate trap. Every diamond was fake, planted as bait by Scotland Yard. For months, undercover officers had been watching the gang's every move. The would-be thieves were arrested on the spot and sentenced to 18 years in prison. Their meticulous planning had walked them straight into the perfect counter-operation.